Hi, this is Chantel WTI. My husband and I have been doing some upgrades to our 2011 Toyota Sequoia, and our first project was changing out the stereo for an Apple Play, and this Apple Play has been such an amazing upgrade to my vehicle. Having an updated navigation system is the best part about this Apple CarPlay. Since my Sequoia is older, the navigation was never updated, so we haven't been able to use it since we bought it. So now we no longer have to use our GPS from our small iPhone screens, which has been wonderful. The touchscreen is so easy to navigate, and I love that my text messages can be read to me, or I can silence everything for safety purposes. The screen is such a great size, and it's compatible with Android as well. Listening to music while I'm driving is very important to me, so being able to connect my Apple Music to my car quickly and easily has been awesome. Dagaton was extremely helpful when I had questions, like making sure we were connecting the JBL wire harness correctly. They have excellent customer service. My husband also really appreciated that they sent plastic tools to help remove the old stereo, which my husband and son did in a matter of minutes. The screen is much bigger and much more colorful than what we had before, and we are very, very happy with this upgrade, but that's just our point of view.